Okay, I do quick videos. I don't edit. I just shoot these and hope that it can help somebody. There is a vent in front of a sink, and that is not where it belongs. And yes, I know that is a wall cover. Don't know where it came from. Anyway, I want it underneath the cabinet, so that's what I've been working on. So I'm going to show you how I did this while the cabinet is still in place, if you have a crawl space anyway. So I removed the front cover of the toe kick. This is just a little veneer. I cut out where I wanted it to be, made sure everything fit. I had to add a board to it so that whenever it slides in, sorry guys, it'll slide in like that. It'll be next to the other part of the board over there. I couldn't remove it all because it goes behind the other cabinet, so I needed it to stay. And then I can screw all that into place and from the side. And then this goes in front of that like so. So underneath what I did, I went under, see if you can see any, probably not, and I just drilled a 4 1/4 inch hole. Make sure your hole is big enough for all this to run through, please. I preferred everything to come up more, but there's not enough space, so it's going to have to use this. I am going to wrap it in insulation to keep the condensation down so it doesn't mold underneath my cabinet. It goes underneath, and from the 4 inch down, I connected a 6 inch reducer to 4 inch to attach to the ductwork, and that's it. But it's just running that up from the bottom into here. I have it long enough so that I can connect it directly from this point, and then I'll slide that in, attach it, and then just put the cover. And I'm getting ready to do floors in here, so that will be filled from underneath and then inside and covered over. No longer having that nasty vent. I do hope this helps because it was a headache for me to figure out. All right, enjoy.